Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, March 15, 2022. It is 7:34 and 32 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, breast cancer metastasis. So let's hop to it here. Researchers reduce breast cancer metastasis in animal models by modifying tumor electrical properties. Amiodarone, an ion channel blocker, approved for other diseases, significantly inhibits tumor cell invasion. Date January 11, 2022. Source: Tufts University. Researchers have found that manipulating voltage patterns of tumor cells using ion channel blockers, already FDA approved as treatments for other diseases, which can in fact significantly reduce metastasis in animal models of breast cancer. And this is very much unexplored, but highly opportunistic strategy for treatment of cancer. The study of ion channels, which regulate the bioelectrical properties of cells, are the second most common target for existing pharmaceuticals. And so, we have a relatively large set of ready-to-use drugs that could be reproposed for cancer therapy. And to test their therapeutic strategy, the Tufts research team focused on triple-negative breast cancer, a subtype of the disease, which accounts for approximately 15% of all breast cancer cases. The likelihood of metastasis for triple-negative breast cancer is greater than all the other subtypes of breast cancer. And because triple-negative breast cancer is associated with a poor 5-year prognosis, scientists are focusing efforts on counteracting it. The researchers were able to show that manipulating the voltage properties of breast cancer cells can have a significant effect on their progression to metastasis, reducing the number of metastatic sites in most lungs by about 50%. The cells in the body create a natural voltage across their membranes caused by ion channels that actively push or passively allow positive and negative ions in and out of the cell, while there are a variety of channels that drive the movement of positively charged sodium, calcium, and potassium ions, as well as negatively charged chloride ions. Potassium ion channels tend to dominate in generating the voltage across the cell membrane. When the Tufts researchers genetically overexpress the potassium ion channels in tumor cells, the inside of the cells became more negatively charged, and the imbalance in voltage led to increased tumor growth and metastasis, both in planted cells and animal models. The researchers' therapeutic strategy took the opposite approach, blocking the potassium ion channels, led to a restoration of more normal voltages for the cells, decreased tumor cell invasion, and significantly reducing metastasis. And 4 FDA-approved potassium ion channel blockers were screened, and all had similar effectiveness in killing tumor cells. One drug, amiodarone, had the largest effect on normalizing cell voltages and was selected to see how well it would work in treating breast cancer in mice. The researchers found that the drug, approved for use treating heart rhythm disorders, cut back on the tumor's ability to spread as cells broke off and moved to other parts of the body. By looking at the genes that were triggered by the voltage shift, they found a number of molecular pathways involved in the movement of cells. The effect of the ion channel blocking drug were consistent with limiting the cells' movement so they don't wander off and grow new tumors. The results with amiodarone were very exciting because they suggest that by targeting the bioelectric properties of tumor cells, they were able to specifically target the cells that leave the primary tumor, i.e., the harder to kill metastatic cells. The findings suggest that a drug like amiodarone that can change the bioelectric properties of cancer cells might one day be combined with an existing chemotherapeutic drug that inhibits tumor cell growth for more effective cancer treatment. The Tufts team will continue to explore the effects of the ion channel blockers on cancer in animal models in combination with existing standard of care treatments like chemotherapy. And since amiodarone and similar drugs are already approved for use in humans. Phase 1 clinical trials in small groups of cancer patients could commence in the near future. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.